to make a place for you. No matter what they say, it's true. When I say it's okay, it is. It is. Where I go, you know, soon you'll follow me home. We'll be together in my Father's house. I go to make a place for us. We'll fly together, no plane, no train, no bus. When I say it's okay, it is, yes, it is. Where I go, you know, soon you'll follow me home. We'll be together in my Father's house. Nothing can separate us from this love. 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 Yeah. Nothing can separate us from this love. 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 And soon you'll follow me home. We'll be together in my Father's house. Where I go, you go, and soon you'll follow me home. We'll be together in my Father's house. Woo! That song is called Home.
Yeah, it is. And this has been our home. I'm not gonna cry.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna cry. But we have to say goodbye to Jumba.
Yeah,
Which is
I don't know if
lovely.
you guys know this, but another video will come up after this, just farewelling Jumba. Jumba's done good for us, and we've been blessed to have him look after us, even keep us warm during below zero temperatures. That's the word.
She made it from the top to the bottom.
Yeah, and we were just on our way back up, but I think we might have pushed Jumba too hard.
Yeah, we got to Milford Sounds, and then On the way
on the way back, climbing the mountain. I think it was
Through the
just
tunnel, actually.
pushing too hard with the outside being too... like, there could have been heaps of things. But pretty much
Yeah.
we're happy with what we've done. So that makes this our last van jam in Jumba. We will be saying hello to another van. Because
Very
we've been
soon.
blessed enough to have, I don't know, made enough money. There we go. to get
To be
another
able
van.
to not have to be stuck in town.
Yeah, we've literally made enough to get another van.
Yeah.
But beyond that, yeah, we're really looking forward to being home anyway. So it's quite ideal that this be our last song, because we've been craving being around our own families. It's quite tough being on the road, yeah, tougher than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
We've really enjoyed it, and
Yeah.
in no way are we gonna stop nomading.
Nah, this isn't the end at all.
No. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for following us. Continue to follow us because we've got some really cool things that we actually want to work on and quickly get out this summer coming.
The
And then-
album.
Share them live with you. Yeah, the Manu album.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next summer we'll be on the road again. We'll be on the road for the rest of the year as well. And in between
Yeah,
recording
basically.
and stuff.
So keep an eye out.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out.
We'll introduce you to our new baby soon.
But not
As
really
in-
a baby.
as in
He's a
not-
big. Like
We don't
Jumba
have a
might
baby.
even be able to fit inside this baby.
Well,
Yeah.
it'd be tight, but yeah, maybe.
Mhm. Definitely. Like there's 3 seats in the next one. We've only got 2, so
3
we can
seats, yay.
take passengers,
Yes.
possibly pick up hitchhikers. Which I'm.
Hitchhiker.
Oh yeah, hitchhike her until we put another seat in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
we've got it plans. Anyway, thank you
That's
so
for
much,
now.
Whānau, for following us. Excuse me.
Oh.
For all of you. Nah. This is us to you. Yeah, ka kite anō.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna don't worry, expect something from us every month, basically.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Chat.
I mean, until next time.
Until next time, until we see your faces.
Bye.
That was creepy.
Yeah, it's real quick.
Okay, sweet.
Turn it off now.
Hey!